hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking past the New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, that clip we just saw, people, Zine, is a little second clip that was sent to the attacking boss people. You know, so me have to blur out certain parts of it and thing based on the guidelines and thing. But in this, people, it is said that this man right now, Zine, basically him gone, people, because police just take him up and then still go carry him to hospital and thing, and lifeless that them are flinging a van back there, so people, Zine. So it is said that him now, because it happened on John's Road, them saying the people in a Spanish town. They said that him now, my people, comes up boom and get a work, if you go mash a work on a man, Zine. And basically people then go to mash the works, people, because a hitman work him getting up. The man kind of have a look at tussle quick before and thing, people. And police was managed, people, for them nearby and see what go on and alert. And when police comes to boom, people, them raise him strap to go beat it off a police. The police return for your people and hit him. Zine, when them hit him now, people, that's why him get cut down. Him get about 3 in him chest, people. So him up on the ground lifeless, people. Then police them recover that strap and thing, people. And they manage to come to boom now. Dash him in a van back, people. Carry him to hospital and thing, Zine, and where he was pronounced dead. But as me tell the people, it gone already. Zine lifeless. Because them something you not learn, my people. Them not learn. The man them value them life. Nothing. Zine, the man them just feel say I hate that. Them just get to work, and once them get to work, anywhere them can go deal with the work, and them just feel say them are going to succeed, my viewers and subscribers. The man them put up them life, people, for nothing. Zine, them could get a 200 grand or 150 grand, people. So the man them value them life for nothing. One day if a man really think and looking at himself, 100 grand and nothing, 200 G's and nothing, all long a piece of that can last you. Zine, but your life, you are going to risk it out if you take a work, Zine, and go come to boom now. Youth, when you value your life more, Zine, now you're gone left your nice woman in your yard. You're gone left your youth them. For what reason? If you want to go do some real badness, man, try save some money, take a flight and go down to the Middle East, you understand? Go down to some place like down in the Gaza and the Middle East, and the Palestine and them place, like them place down if you go. If you don't want to go study badness and go do badness, Zine. But for Jamaica, them are on a badness. If you just come to and get couple work and go do this and do that, come on, youths. We have a bright future, you know. Zine, a time for we tap, a time for we learn. We see so much youth make the same mistake already. A lot of youth will say make the mistake. So we have to learn from the mistake and continue up on the right path and go forward in our life. See? But if we have to continue and be on that same path, we are going to dead off left for human them. We are going to dead off left for look up into them. See? Because every youth nowadays I get them youth early. You get what I'm saying? So youth, a time for we realize, time for we to stop make this system make we go straight and make we go waste your life and waste your future and damage everything. It just not pay youth. And the pain my heart, you know, to see people because we know the condition of people. A lot of them money who you see, Zine, I get them work. It's just because them can get access to these pie people. Zine, it's just because them can get that link the people. It's not because them really want to do it. And we know the situation at times in people, them desperately in need. Some of them are say, yo, nothing now go on and I have to take care of my youth, I have to take care of my family. And this is the way out, me I go do it, me I go risk it all. But in the end of the day, it don't make no sense. Zine, it just don't make no sense. We have a bright future in front of our youths. When I look on all around Jamaica, We have so much things, But as me tell man to man, it's just time. We just wait. We just have like a patience, have like a faith. Based on a lack of patience and a lack of faith, you go astray so easily. See, you have to just work your way. Because nowadays, we can't sit down and expect say, yo, things are going to come in our hand like that. No, it not go up like that. We have to work our way. But look, we don't have to go work our way in a bad things. We don't have to go work our way in a gang thing. See, and destroy our future so early. Because pray this, man, you put yourself out there, in a gang thing, in a badness, and you are pray your life, Look, you may be 20, you may be 19, right? And think about it. You know, every man, no matter what, you want to live till you're 50, you want to live till you're 60 or 70. Zane, we pray this. You feel say 10 years from now, and we around this or that day, Zane, and you feel say you're going to continue upon the party. And remember this, think about it. When you do mix in them thing, and you do go in them thing, you automatically become an enemy, Zane, to society. Zane, and you become an enemy to the same people them who you want them in the same thing to, because you see the drift and you see what go on several times. Most of the time, when I hear say such man and such man get clapped way and get slapped way, you may pray say, yo, our next man around us do it, But at the same man them around such man do it. Zane, so you have to think, because you may get the work for go call if you go mash a hit work, Zane, and the same man will give you the work if you go mash a hit work. Give another man a work for mash you. So you have to pray and have sense. This is logics. Oh, no feel. You must look into them something, Look when police comes to boom and go mash work. Police did the right, did they? Zine, it's like say police expect when I come. You not pray say yo, enough of them things are set to get set up. You not look into it, say I set people are setting up. I set people are set up enough for youth. You have to be more wise and be more smarter. Zine. Because you may claim so because you have this, you have a world in your hand. But no, the Almighty tell you, you live by it, you go dead by it. So if that you choose, I tell you, I'm sorry for you. But yo, your life go gone. You know how much good things they can wait. You know if you just have patience, youth. See, you never know what tomorrow may bring. You will be there, you never know when Jah just work out something for you and a big thing just come away. 2000 know say you a travel the world. You ain't plan for it, you ain't a safe feet, but it happen. You just don't know. But when you come to boom and go choose certain roads and certain methods, come on, man. We don't go up a Meadows, and you got a dove cat, and you look how much tombs and you see the hundreds and thousands of tombs there. And you can pretty much youth we are knowing of them there. And you never hear one day them can link you and say, yo, my dog, we had everything good. Yo, my G, so we're there in one place to and yo, I'm not lying. You can't see nothing to you gone. No life, not there more. Think about the fun them we used to have with the Virgin and them roll going at the street road, go at the party, they make the vibes there on the rent, the car, go up on the river, go up on the beach, go and do some cooking around your Virgin yard. But all of them fun they gone. You can't hold the meds there no more. Youth, listen what the attacking boss I say, man. Because we tell you, we used to be in the street and we know the thing go. Make a change, man. Make a difference, youth. We there phone, Zine, a whole heap of youth link me and them say new link. Say yo, they make a change in my life, new link. I'm on a different part, new link. Zine, a lot of youth in the street link me. Zine, so youth me are telling you the truth. Me don't feel good for no now waste no life, or not dash on the life like that. Me not go just come and do a vlog people and just say, yo, police slap with a hitman that sit and boom. No, me can't do it. Zine, because it pain my heart. Zine, it pain my heart, people. No joke about it. Youth, we have to make a change and make a difference. Please, me ask you. You don't know the thing of my viewers and subscribers, man. They're attacking boss there, man. New Link from New Link Production, people. And I just some deal with my thing, people. If you don't notice, if you even take me 5 seconds, 10 seconds, you know what I mean? I have to just put a word out there for these youth can learn from. I have to say a word of encouragement, of empowerment, because that's the purpose. It's not a purpose where you just come and do a random vlog and just say this and say that and just boom. No, it don't come like me just use these news things for just gain from it. No, but people, I want a better for my youths them in Jamaica and for the world. See, no joke about it, people. And this is where the attacking boss there for your purpose. Peace, love, respect, and blessings with people. You don't know the attacking boss. New Link from New Link Production. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Follow me on Instagram, New Link Production, and Twitter, New Link Production. Peace. And remember, people, please get the New Link shirt them. check in the description, people. You understand? Support the thing, man. And big up to everybody who contribute on PayPal. You understand? Because we have a PayPal link. So anybody want to give a contribution towards New Link and the channel, of course, I do appreciate it, people. You don't know. Peace out. New Link vacation coming. Attack. Big up.